Hey guys, as you see in the picture, Gujia at rupee 1 and lot more on 1 rupee store. Let's check out. As you see here, you can go to Swiggy Instamart. You will find 1 rupee store on the home page itself. But you cannot add 1 rupee products to your cart unless and until you add up 199 worth products to your cart. Here I am adding up 199 worth products to my cart. Then automatically 1 rupee store would unlock for you. Then you can add 1 rupee product from the store as shown on the video. Here you have plenty of snacks, groceries, chocolates, biscuits, a lot more. Whatever you want you can add. You can add up Pichkari gun at rupee 1, or you have Gujia also. You can add up whichever you like. Then go to your cart. You can add Swiggy 1 membership at rupee 1. Confirm with your 1 rupee product. Then check out. Hey, hi, hello, namaste. How are you doing? Hope you're all happy, fine, smiling. There are lots of offers as you see here. You have sweets at 50% off on Swiggy Instamart. You can check out 9 rupee deals of fruits and veggies as well. Coming to cooking oils, they have gone up to 170 rupees as war is going on. Do stock up your essentials and fuel up your vehicles, right? Anyways, let's go see 1 rupee and 9 rupee products. As you see here, this gun is 99 rupees, but we got it just at 9 rupees on 9 rupee store of Swiggy Instamart. You can get it at 1 rupee also if 1 rupee store is available for you on Swiggy Instamart. This is superb, pretty small gun. You can have fun to the fullest. Yes or no? And this gulal you can get on steel deals at rupees 9. It's herbal, safe on hands. So you can check out these deals as shown in the video. Let's test and see how it works. You can add a pinch of color or gulal to your glass and mix thoroughly. And pour the color water into the gun through the hole as shown in the video. Once you're done adding water to your gun, you can close that knob and see how it works. You can spray the color water using gun. It's safe on your skin because it's a herbal product. You can rinse it after having fun as shown in the video. You have Tandai on Swiggy Instamart. You can check out 9 rupee deals and enjoy. This is Dodla Badam milk. It's super yum. You can check out chocolates. Get a break and have Kit Kat please, right? Now we'll check out steel deals at rupee 9, 9 rupee store and coupon on Swiggy Instamart. As shown in the video, you can go to Swiggy Instamart. You have Pichkari starting from 15 rupees. And 9 rupee store also is available. You have 50% off store. You can get back and tap on 50% off store and add whatever items or the products you want in your cart to be. Once you add up 199 rupee worth items to your cart, the 9 rupee store would be unlocked for you. You can go to 9 rupee store as shown in the video, add 1 9 rupee product to your cart. Here you're getting gun at just 9 rupees. Once you add a gun to your cart or any other 1 rupee item, you can go to your cart. Here you can just confirm your 9 rupee product, Pichkari gun or any other 9 rupee product. You just add it up. You can go down and add steel deals starting from 9 rupees. Once you're done adding up steel deals, you can go to coupons and apply the coupon as shown in the video. You can get minimum 100 or 150 off on your orders and check out. That's it done. Have a good day. Keep smiling. Peace out. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe. Don't forget.